Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for February 15, 2024, featuring how to see planet Uranus near the Moon. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 6:47 a.m. Central Standard Time, followed by sunset at 5:23 p.m. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky, Venus shines from the east-southeast during morning twilight. The morning star is lower in the sky each morning. It rises 79 minutes before the sun. At 45 minutes before daybreak, the planet is about 5 degrees above the horizon. Venus is overtaking Mars, that is emerging from bright sunlight. Venus passes the red planet on the 22nd. This morning at 30 minutes before the sun rises, Venus is 3.3 degrees to the upper right of Mars. Use a binocular to find dim Mars near Venus. Mercury moves toward superior conjunction on the Sun's far side on the 28th. It is in bright sunlight and is not easily visible. In the evening sky, Saturn is approaching solar conjunction in less than 2 weeks. The planet is awash in bright sunlight during evening twilight. It sets less than an hour after sunset. Look for the moon, 43% illuminated, high in the southwest after sundown. The phase is half full or first quarter tomorrow at 9:01 a.m. CST. Bright Jupiter is over 10 degrees to the lower right of the lunar orb. The Jovian giant is slowly moving eastward in front of Aries. To note its eastward direction, the planet is approaching an imaginary line from Hamel, 11.0 degrees to the upper right of Jupiter, and Menkar, 12.8 degrees to the lower left. Planet Uranus is in the same binocular field with the Moon this evening. Without the Moon as a guide, the planet is relatively easy to locate about halfway from Jupiter to the Pleiades star cluster. This evening the planet is 2.8 degrees to the lower left of the lunar orb. Uranus brightness is at the edge of human eyesight. It can be seen from rural areas that are free from outdoor lighting. The planet was initially identified as a dim star. After the invention of larger telescope and systematic observing programs, Uranus was observed to move compared to the distant starfield. The observer was William Herschel in 1781. To locate Uranus, place the Moon at the center of the binocular field. The stars, identified by their names as Greek letters, delta, zeta, epsilon, and rho in Aries, are in the field of view with the lunar slice. Rho is below the Moon and slightly brighter than Uranus. Appearing star-like through a binocular, Uranus is to the left of Rho and the Moon's lower left. A telescope with significant magnification is needed to see the planet's globe. Tonight, Jupiter sets before midnight, followed by the Moon over an hour later. Across the world tomorrow evening, the Moon appears near the Pleiades star cluster. By the time night falls in the Americas, the lunar orb is east of the stellar bundle. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.